Welcome water skiers to Fluid Motion's Tech Series. This is a beginner how-to on the one-ski Deepwater start. We have two novice skiers, Logan and Matthew, are going to show us how it's done. So the first piece of equipment to use is a nice big ski, and we're also using a boom, which saves a lot of time and a lot of effort because you can support yourself on those initial start. So Logan's going to grab the boom here, and what we're going to do is a supported one-ski Deepwater. The key here is to have the ski about on a 45-degree angle so it planes nicely, tip just at the surface, keep your arms straight and relaxed, and then you use your legs to stand up. So we're going to do 3 or 4 of these bar-only starts, and then we'll graduate to the next step. Okay, next we connect a rope to the bar using the same basic technique. This is a little more unstable now. So Logan's got his arms straight. He's come out of the water with the ski on a nice planing angle and put his foot in the back. That was a 1 foot in start. He's got pretty good control over the ski using a hardshell binding, and you'll try 3 or 4 of these before then moving on to the long line start. So now Logan goes to long line, and this is his very first ever Deepwater start, and he's muscling it out. He's got it done, and comes up good. He's on a 22 off rope. Started him out a little bit on the right hand side to keep the rope away from the tip of the ski, and told him to keep the ski pointed to the right. If the rope gets caught on the tip of the ski, then it's impossible to control. The ski will just want to nose right under. So it's important to keep obviously to keep the tip away from the rope, almost the ski almost like a wakeboard, where you angle the ski away from the rope, and then it kind of straightens up as you come out of the water. So we'll take a look at Matthew as well. Matthew's first ever start. He's doing the camera work now, but we'll take a look at Matthew's start, and then a couple of things that can happen if you do get that ski tip caught in the rope. There is a special rope design you can use, a bridle that keeps the ski tip in the middle, and that might be helpful to use, but because we have the boom here, we've gone through the 3 phases, that wasn't necessary. So here's Matthew's first ever Deepwater start. He again is on the right foot forward, so he's on the right hand side of the wake, and it pops up real easy. Perfectly done. Stayed behind the ski, and he's off and running. So when you're on a 69-inch ski, and this is kind of a wide ski, and you're around the 100 and around the 150 mark, 140 mark, weight-wise, it's a perfect time to learn because there's a lot less line load to deal with. But there are some skis like the HO Hovercraft or the Connelly Big Daddy or Big Easy, and the Radar makes one as well that's extra wide, like the Butterknife, that are great skis to start on. This again is a Charger, but the Charger is actually you could take that into a course at 30 miles an hour, but it is a 69-inch ski, so it's quite big, and as you can see, we're going through some pretty serious chop, and it'll handle that as well. So that's why we have this big ski here, just for these kind of days. Okay, we're going to drop Matthew here, and we'll get him to demonstrate what happens when you get the ski tip right up against the rope. It just causes the ski to nose under. So this is in slow-mo, and as it get going here, the ski will roll over onto the rope, and there's just no chance of holding on. So that's why you want to keep that ski tip away from the handle, and use a boom or a tower, just like that boat behind us. And good luck on your next start. Thanks for watching. Cool.